In today's video, I am going to teach you how to curve text in Figma plugins and paths. We'll walk through two simple approaches: using plugins for quick, adjustable curves and using paths for full control with the pen tool. Open your design in Figma so you can follow along. Let's start with plugins. Press Ctrl-K to open the quick search. Switch to the plugins section, search for curve text, and run it. In the curve text window, type the words you want to curve. Now fine-tune the look. Adjust the font size to set overall scale. Tweak letter spacing so characters don't crowd on tighter bends, and move the radius control to shape the curve. A large radius creates a gentle arc. A small radius tightens into a circle. You can aim for a perfect circle or stop at a partial arc, depending on your layout. When it looks right, click Create. A big advantage here is that the text stays editable, so you can change the copy, font, or spacing later without rebuilding the effect. Next, still in plugins, search for arc and run it. Select your text layer first, so the plugin knows what to modify. You'll see a slider that bends the text up or down. Drag it until your curve feels balanced with the rest of your design. Then click Apply. This approach is great for quick, subtle curvature without setting up a full circle. Now let's curve text along a custom path. Grab the pen tool and draw a path that matches the contour you want. This could be a simple arc or any free-form line. Select the path. Press T to activate the text tool and hover over the line. When the text cursor snaps to the path, click and start typing. Your text flows along the curve you drew, giving you hands-on control. If the curve needs refinement, adjust the path with the pen tool handles and your text will update along that route. You can also pair a path with a plugin to link text to more complex shapes. Open Plugins again and search for To Path. First, draw a custom vector shape with the pen tool. Think of a wave or any decorative contour. Select both your text and the path, run to Path, and click Link to make the text follow the path. This maintains the relationship, so your text adapts as you refine the vector line. That's it. Thanks for watching.